Hello, I'm Professor Deeptoe, and I'm the head instructor for 801. By now you've been to class and done a few assignments, so you've probably started to get an idea of what you need to do in order to do well in this course. The video you're about to watch is a crash course on how to succeed in this class. We hope that this advice will help you understand the material and ultimately get a good grade at the end of the semester. So how did we come up with all this? Well, with their permission, we studied a group of students who took this class 2 years ago and looked at their behaviors. We tracked what they did when they interacted with the online platform and also interviewed them to get feedback about the class. We hope that by understanding their behaviors, we could discover some habits that help students be successful and then pass that knowledge on to you. So in our research, we were most interested in the strategies and resources they used when solving complex problems in 801. By resources, I mean all the things available to you on the website, like the videos, the textbook, the class notes, etc. Basically anything that you would use to help you get the information you need to solve a problem. In our results, we basically saw that there are two groups of students with productive strategies and students with unproductive strategies. The students with productive strategies did better in the course because they used effective methods to learn the material and do the homework. The less productive students used methods that were less effective, and as a result, they tended to not do as well. We looked at the behaviors that defined these two groups, and from that, constructed the tips you're about to hear. So number 1, be flexible. As you're learning how to do physics and learning how to use the site, you're probably going to come across 1 or 2 resources that you really like. You might want to just stick with those resources, but I would encourage you to branch out and try new things. Explore the videos, look at the notes, look at the text. Everything that's there is there for your benefit, so take advantage of it. We also noticed that in the past, students tend to select resources based on what they think their learning style is, and I want to caution you against this. You may think, oh, I'm a visual learner, so I'm only going to use the videos. But that limits your choices, and the other resources might be a lot more helpful than you think. We found that successful students are the ones who use a variety of resources, so don't get hung up on just one resource. Be strategic, be flexible, and use a lot of resources to develop a deep and complex understanding of mechanics. Number 2, invest the time. 801 assignments can be pretty challenging. If you wait until the night before they're due to start working on them, you're going to have a bad time. When you're planning your study sessions, schedule them for several days before the due date. You're a lot more likely to do well in the assignments, the test, and the class as a whole if you start your homework a few days ahead of time and work on it gradually instead of waiting until the night before to start. This will make life a lot less stressful for you, but will also increase your retention and help you out when it's time to take an exam. In fact, if you start your homework even 2 days earlier than you would normally, your final grade could increase by half a letter grade.